Big businesses under fire as pressure mounts between Hong Kong and China. Apple's App Store are moving a police tracking Hong Kong map app just days after its approval. In a letter to employees, Apple CEO Tim Cook defending the decision to remove the app, saying in part, quote, "The app was being used maliciously to target individual officers for violence and to victimize individuals and property where no police were present." Meanwhile, some gamers boycotting Activision after the company stripped a pro gamer of all tournament earnings after he expressed support for the Hong Kong protests.
Meanwhile, the NBA is going through damage control with China after a pro-Hong Kong protest tweet by one team's general manager sparked many Chinese partners to cut ties with the league. Eric Chemi looks at which NBA stars have the biggest business connections to China. Hi there, Eric.
Hi, that's right, Courtney. So many NBA players, they've got their own direct relationships with Chinese companies and Chinese fans. Retired stars like Shaq, Kevin Garnett, Dwayne Wade have all had signature shoe sponsorships from Chinese shoemakers. But there are now more than a dozen current NBA players with endorsement deals from the three major Chinese shoemakers, Li Ning, Anta, and Peak. Klay Thompson, CJ McCollum, and Rajon Rondo are among some of the bigger names of active players. ESPN reported that Klay Thompson's 10-year deal with Anta could be worth as much as $80 million. But even stars with U.S. company shoe deals have serious Chinese exposure. Kevin Durant's manager said Durant sells more Nikes in China than in America. Steph Curry makes regular trips to China to visit with fans, along with other MVPs like LeBron James, James Harden, and Russell Westbrook. At least 30 NBA players visit China each summer, while top stars can make more than $1 million to do so. So it's no surprise, then, that NBA players as a whole have been basically silent regarding the Hong Kong protests and the controversy with the Chinese government. Back to you.